Finding the perfect beginner-friendly keyboard can be overwhelming, but the 61-key portable electronic keyboard piano offers a great balance of features, functionality, and affordability. Welcome back to my Auto MT channel. Designed for beginners, students, and casual players, this keyboard provides light-up full-size keys, built-in lessons, and a variety of instrument tones and rhythms to make learning music fun and accessible. With a comprehensive bundle including a stand, stool, microphone, headphones, and note stickers, this keyboard provides everything needed to start playing right away. But does it truly live up to its promise? Let's break it down. Design and build quality. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its light-up full-size keys, which help beginners learn finger placement and play along with songs more easily. The LCD screen further enhances the learning experience by displaying chords, notes, and other key functions, making it an excellent teaching tool for new learners. The keyboard itself is well built but lightweight, making it easy to move around. However, some users have noted that the keys feel slightly uneven and not as sturdy as higher-end models. While this isn't a deal-breaker for beginners, those looking for a realistic piano feel might find the key action a little too light and less responsive than traditional pianos. The included accessories, a foldable X stand, stool, headphones, microphone, and music rest, make this a great value package. The stool is comfortable and can be folded away for storage, while the stand is sturdy but may require some additional screws for assembly. A few customers mentioned a strong plastic smell when first opened, but this disappeared after a few days. Sound quality and features. With 255 instrument tones, 255 rhythms, and 50 demo songs, this keyboard offers plenty of variety for beginners to experiment with different sounds. It also features 61 types of keyboard percussion, making it fun to explore different beats and effects. The built-in stereo speakers provide clear and loud sound, but some users noted that the sound quality is not as deep or realistic as more expensive keyboards. While the tones and rhythms are good for beginners, advanced players may find them somewhat artificial. Key features include musical note sustain and vibrato functions for added expression, musical note record and playback capabilities to track progress, musical note 3 teaching modes to guide learners step by step, musical note memory function to save favorite settings. However, some users found the interface slightly confusing, particularly when navigating through the tone and rhythm selection. The instruction manual could be clearer in explaining how to access and use these features effectively. Ease of use and learning tools. For beginners, this keyboard is extremely user-friendly. The light-up keys, built-in lessons, and included note stickers make it easy to start playing immediately. The 3 teaching modes guide users through step-by-step learning, helping them understand music theory, note placement, and rhythm. Many parents who bought this for their children appreciate the interactive learning features, as they help kids stay engaged and motivated. Another great feature is the headphone jack, which allows for private practice. This is perfect for students who want to practice without disturbing others. The microphone input also adds a fun element for singing along while playing, though some users noted that the microphone quality is average at best. Portability and power options. The compact design makes this keyboard easy to store when not in use. It fits well in small apartments, dorm rooms, or classrooms. It also supports multiple connectivity options, including electric plug standard power adapter, included, for home use. Battery-powered option for portability. Headphone jack for quiet practice. Microphone input for singing. Musical note USB port for external connections. This makes it versatile for different playing environments, whether at home or on the go. Pros and cons. White heavy checkmark. Pros. Heavy checkmark light-up full-size keys make learning easier. Heavy checkmark comes with a complete bundle, stand, stool, headphones, microphone, etc. Heavy checkmark 3 teaching modes and note stickers for beginners. Heavy checkmark 255 tones and rhythms for creative exploration. Heavy checkmark LCD screen displays chords and notes for better learning. Heavy checkmark headphone jack for private practice. Heavy checkmark compact and lightweight design. Crossmark cons. Crossmark keys feel slightly uneven and less responsive than traditional pianos. Crossmark sound quality is decent but not professional grade. Crossmark microphone quality could be better. Crossmark navigation through tones and rhythms is not intuitive. Crossmark instruction manual is not very clear. Final verdict: who should buy it? The 61-key portable electronic keyboard is a great choice for beginners, kids, and casual players who want a budget-friendly and feature-packed keyboard to start learning. Its light-up keys, teaching modes, and interactive features make it an excellent learning tool. The included stand, stool, and headphones add great value, making it a cost-effective option for those who don't want to buy accessories separately. However, if you are looking for a more realistic piano playing experience with weighted keys and professional sound quality, this may not be the best choice. The keys are light, and while the sound is good for practice, it's not as deep or rich as higher-end keyboards. For the price, $159.99, It offers a fantastic learning experience, making it an ideal first keyboard for beginners. If you need something for practice, casual play, or a fun way to learn piano, this is a solid investment.